I just got some few notes on this notebook because I would like to mention some few important points. So subscribe if you like to learn about internet marketing. Anyway, I just got this question from one of my clients. How much time does it take to rank on Google? I will tell you the answer. First of all, it depends. It depends on a lot of things. It takes around 3 to 6 months. Oh, that also can be 1 year. Let's say you have done your keyword research properly. So if you don't know how to do the keyword research, I will put it here. And then let's think that you have written your blog post properly, your blog article, whatever you call it. So if you don't know how to write a blog post properly, which actually get traffic, watch this video. I explained everything. So let's say you have done these two things. If your website is really new, it takes some time to get trust from Google. I also talk about the sandbox. I did 2 videos. What is sandbox and how to get out of sandbox. These 2 videos are also related, so I will put them here. Watch them as well, because these 4 videos are really important. So you already heard your money or your life Google rule, right? Google algorithm update. So when it comes to your money or your life, your money YL, your money YM, your life YL, YMYL. About these niches, Google is really strict. So when a new website is coming, Google look at you like, who is this guy, and are you serious about this website? Are you expert of this, and what kind of authority you have, what kind of things you know, and so much things. If you make a website targeting health and finance, fitness, and these kind of really your money or your life niches, Google is so strict about these niches. I told you in the beginning of the video, it takes around 3 months to 6 months, or maybe that can be also 1 year to rank a website. So we had sometimes golden times and really crazy times. When we made a strong backlink, we can even see that effect next day. So website is like pumping, right? But now it's really different. Algorithm is different. So when you make some content, and it takes so long time to get some trust from Google, right? So when you make a new content and Google is not like ranking right away, I mean, even when your website is a little bit older. I made a new post on one of my clients' website. It took like around 3 months to kick in. It was like really end of the search engine. Even I have targeted easy keyword. So I told you it takes around 3 to 6 months or maybe 1 year to rank on Google. That means, to get that real effect, to get that power of the search engine, to get that maximum traffic, to go to that level, it takes that much time. Like I said before, it also depends on the keyword research. How to rank the website on Google fast? Everyone wants to know this answer. I think I did a video here. Watch that video as well. So the thing is, when you target really easy keywords in the beginning, then your websites rank a little bit faster, and then you don't have to wait for like years to rank your website. So you don't have to build a lot of backlinks, and that's a crazy thing, because maybe like 10 to 15 years ago, people making a lot of backlinks, but now it's not the case anymore. You can rank website, some keywords, easy keywords, without building backlinks at all. That's such a great thing. So if you want to rank your website fast, that means you have to start with easy keywords. Like I said, I explain it. I did a big video. I explain it everything there. So go after easy keywords in the beginning. Then you can get some Google trust at the start, right? And then you can make content, right? But if you jump into bigger keywords, into bigger niches, that means your life going to be difficult. Trust me. You are creating continuously content, but you don't see any progress. So if you don't have experience with SEO or internet marketing, especially SEO, start with some easy niches. That doesn't mean these easy niches cannot bring money or cannot make money. That is possible. That's not a problem at all, because everyone thinks, and most of people, I mean, if not everyone, they think, this your money, your life, these are the niches they should jump into. It's not the case. And also, when you start with an easy niche website, right, not really competitive, you can see some progress little bit more faster. I did a video also, like I was ranking 1-2 articles, fresh domain, no backlinks, only 2 content, and it was ranking in 2 weeks or 1 week. And then if you are a beginner, when you see these small progress, and then you are actually motivated, and then you would like to make more content, right? So now you know the answer to how much does it take to rank on Google. So if you have any questions, you can put a comment and I will reply to all the questions. I think you know already. And if you like this video and if you learned something, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It also helps my channel as well. So yeah, see you in the next video.